ever wondered, why do we eat what we eat? Because I'm hungry, you may add, but there are many things that influence our decision-making processes around food, and that's not just hunger. Today we're going to look at a few key areas. Firstly, our cooking skills. If we are confident cooks, we tend to be far more adventurous about our food choices. However, if we lack interest or passion for cooking, this can limit what we prepare and ultimately eat. Secondly, our budget. Many of us need to stick to a budget when we go about our weekly food shop. This can significantly limit our food choices and, combined with limited cooking skills, can have a detrimental effect on our overall well-being. Eating well, it seems, can have a massive impact on how we feel. Research shows that the right food choices can maintain and even improve our mental health. The third thing is media influence. Social media, TV, and the internet are a huge part of our everyday lives. Filtering through the fake facts to find the nutritional nuggets can be challenging for us all. Trendy or faddy diets often get lots of attention for a short period of time, but are often found to be lacking any real scientific basis. I'm Carla Crocombe, founder and managing director of Safety Rocks Limited, bringing you Nutrition Bites, nutritional learning one bite at a time.